Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Molives here. Molives TV, another day, another adventure. Guys, welcome back. I want to give you guys a bunch of love. You know, I literally got 700 bucks stole out of my freaking locker at the gym the other day. Just hours before I was doing the mystery flight, so I couldn't do it. So now your boy has to go to work, you know? I just, you know, money doesn't just grow on trees, you know, we ain't all got Gucci bags and stuff, so we gotta pass out pretzels on an airplane. I'm here with my boy David G, and my boy David G is leaving. He's a Canadian, and Canadians can only stay in the States for so long, and he's got one big project to complete over the next 2 months. So my man is gonna lock himself in his basement, have his mom deliver his food every single morning, maybe hit the gym, probably not, and then...
That's not an exaggeration.
Yeah, I'm going to Philly. Philly tonight, and then Sacramento.
You gotta find some
Sacramento tomorrow.
Philly cheesesteak.
Yeah, I will do that.
You've been on like grind though, the gym
Oh,
grind.
yeah, I have been on a gym grind, but I mean, I do like a what's in my backpack type, you know, segment, you know.
Meal preps.
Actually, yeah, you know, I mean, I'm sure these people want to know what Molives is eating. Like, if they want to be a snack,
You want a six pack like that?
That's what I'm saying, you know. If you guys want a 6-pack,
Seriously, right?
mine's in the mail. I don't have it yet, but it's coming. So I'll tell you guys what's in my bag, what's in my food bag, and all that jazz. If you guys are part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the like on this video, and let's try and get 6 likes on this video. And let's have a day, baby.
Looking at me like I ain't got no shine. I pull up to the corner with my right. Tell your business.
It's real, bro. We're gonna miss you, man. We'll see you in 2 months, bro.
Yeah!
Make sure the bus is moving, buddy. Oh yeah, I should probably get my bag. Yeah. Yep.
Pull up out like a Chinese, I do it with ease. As long as I got all my bros. All of the times that we got in the doors. I'm looking for more, I'm trying to see what's in store.
Guys, I got through security and the most ridiculous thing happened. Literally, I don't know, I guess clearly it's good vibes because everyone was getting randomly selected through security, and then I was the only one that didn't get selected. It's all good, you know. About to head to the gate. Oh snap, look who it is. Yeah, I gotta feel. Yo, it's my girl Anai. We got a little secret handshake we gotta show. Boom, here we go. Boom. Woo! Yeah, guys, you know, it's just a little handshake, you know. Anai, say hello to 10 million people.
Hello.
How you doing? Yo, Anai, who's your like cousin? Anai has like a cousin that watches the vlog, and that's she that came up to me like a couple weeks ago, maybe? I don't know. But yeah, what's your cousin's name?
Erica Galindo.
Erica Galindo. What's good, girl? I bet she didn't think we were gonna say her name today on the vlog, did she?
She didn't.
Yeah.
She didn't think so.
So she actually just got on with our airline.
Yeah, she just got hired
Erica,
with
congratulations.
us.
Let's go, baby. And Anai is trying to come in fly, maybe.
Come to the brighter side.
That's what I'm saying. Come fly the friendly
with
skies.
Molives.
You know what I'm saying? It's not a big deal, yo. It's a freaking huge deal, bro. Okay, but yeah, I just want to say what up, you know, to the girl. You know, we got a little handshake. We got handshake. That's the second one that we. Okay, all right. What is? Jetbridge, are you good? Sweet. Boom. That's how it's done, baby. Woo, guys, just landed in Philly, and I've seen a lot of things in my days. I've seen a lot of things left on airplanes. But how do you forget crutches if you come on the plane with crutches? You know what I'm saying? I mean, I got these. Woo. I don't know. Is that just me? Did you forget your crutches, man? No, they forgot their crutches. Have you ever seen crutches left on an airplane? What? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What? That's why as flight attendants, you know, you think you've seen it all, but you never see it all, you know? ever.
That's true.
That's a fact, big facts. I don't understand what happened. Like maybe you're just like going on the flight and then all of a sudden, you know, you get those Molives vibes, the Molives pretzels, you know, the secret sauce, and then boom, now you can walk. All right, guys, we just got to Philly. I am absolutely not gonna be eating here tomorrow, guys. I only eat kale, salad, organic. I don't do the McDonald's ever. I've never had McDonald's. Oh, baby, Molives double beds. Not too shabby. Let's check out the grand view of lovely parking garage. Okay. Alrighty. You know what time it is, baby. Woo! Okay. Shout out, baby. Let's get it. Not a bad day today. Pretty easy. 2 quick flights. LAX to Vegas. And then from Nashville to freaking Philly. It's cold as a witch's freezer in here. Your boy's probably gonna go downstairs and grab some grub because, I mean, I have food in my food bag, but like at the same time, it's like, it's not enough, you know? Big dog's gotta eat. It's all like carrots and stuff, which I'm down to eat some carrots, but you know, I need some substance, you know? I haven't had any carbs today, which you gotta have a little bit of carbs, you know? I ain't trying to be no Kardashians, you know what I'm saying? But like, you know, big dogs gotta eat a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we have 18 hours here in Philly. I'm honestly probably not gonna do much except Netflix and chill with my favorite person, me. Actually, before we do that, I wanted to show you guys something. And just like that, we're back in the plan. So I had a little bit of a bone to pick with you guys. I don't know why I said that. I honestly don't. I was like, Molives, you gotta say something, give the people something, and that's what came out of my mouth. But no, it's not a bone to pick, but I wanna let you guys know about the podcast that I just did with my boy Bobby, with like 5 A's. I did a Purpose in the Youth podcast. It was so dope. I'm gonna play a little clip of it right now. I mean, people don't know why we're here, man. Like, people might act like they know what we're doing here. I don't know how I got on this freaking earth, bro. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing here. Like, I'm just a little speck, and like just everybody else. I don't know what I'm doing here. Yeah. But what I've learned in this life is that, you know, like, stuff happens and it's how you react to it. You know, I was born with cystic fibrosis, so it's like, you know, I'm going to play the hand I'm dealt and, like, try to inspire some other people to be like, hey, man, you know, like, everyone's got something. I got this. You might got that. But, like, you know, you just got to play the hand you're dealt, and at the same time, it's like, have fun with it. You know, don't take yourself too seriously. Find out what you love and, like, go for it. So the whole podcast is about 2 hours long. Super dope. Like, my boy Bobby crushed it. Follow him on Instagram. Follow Purpose in the Youth on Instagram as well, and follow his YouTube channel where he puts all of his podcasts. There's been some dope people that have been on his podcast. Drama, Roy Kramer, Matt Como. Like, it's just been, like, crazy. And I'm like, bro, how am I on this podcast again? But we had super dope energy. The man gave me a press kit. So if you guys don't know what that is, it's like he literally curated Instagram story swipe ups, those viral square videos with the titles, like so many of those. You guys just don't understand how much work goes into this. So if you guys could please check it out, it's pretty dope. That being said, we got 1 flight today. I skipped an entire day of vlogging in Philadelphia. You know, I was trying to vlog, but then I froze. Like, literally I froze, and then I just thawed out right now, you know what I'm saying? 1 more to LA, literally Sacramento to LA, and then we're done. We're about to start boarding. We only have 60 people on the plane. Pretty easy. This plane holds 143, so pretty easy. This is Shauna. I mean, the guys, they didn't really want to be on camera, but Shauna was supposed to be in the A position, which does all the announcements up here. And I told her, I'm like, nah, I got you, girl. You know, she hasn't worked in like a month. So she's like, I don't know if, you know, I'll be the best A today. So, you know, I'll do it, you know. Your boy gets a little extra money too, so, you know, you know, I could use it. So it's another day, and I actually have a completely new crew. I'm working in the back, and that's my new crew up there. So I'm gonna start another vlog, but I'm gonna finish this one because I gotta show you guys what I got in my bag. I told you guys I was gonna do it, you know. So here's my bag, you know. This is literally.
How do you feel about 5 minutes?
Yeah, it's fine, bro. I mean, not really, but you know, I'll try and wrap this up quick. No, I'm only on a 2-day trip right now, so I have a little bit less stuff than I would normally have. But you know, we got the water bottle on the side, guys. I would always say, if you're gonna be in an airport, always bring an empty water bottle because you can fill it up after security. and then you don't have to pay $100 for a freaking water bottle because it's just like, it's absurd. There's no need for it. But yeah, so we got, obviously you got to get the gains. So in this side pocket we got the protein. You got to stay in the gains, you know. You can't be eating Dunkaroos all day and expect to have a 12-pack. All right, in this top one I put like a lot of miscellaneous stuff, like a lot of stuff that I might just need randomly. We got the sunnies, we got a watch, extra battery, charger, we got the camera charger, we got headphones in case, you know, passengers need headphones. I grabbed these from the hotel gym, you know, just in case anyone needs them. I just pass them out. Easy squeezy. I don't plan on going to Europe anytime today on this trip, but you know, if we divert to Europe, I have an international charger. And then in the front pouch we got the what is this? What are you? You're an iPad. This is company issued iPad. Our whole manual is on this thing, and this is also how we do the drink orders. So we attach like a little thing on the bottom of this and then swipe the credit card. In case you go skydiving, you know, you gotta have the goggles. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of live out of this thing. So, you know, I got a lot of miscellaneous things that other people might not have. We got the passport, of course. Flight attendants always gotta have the passport. My favorite book right here, boom. If you guys haven't read this, read it. If you haven't seen the movie, congratulations, you played yourself Into the Wild. Absolutely amazing 5-star book and movie. You know, you got a ringside, you know, memories, good times. That's pretty much all that's in there. Open up the toiletries. Got ibuprofen, Axe, shaving cream, gel, toothpaste, toothbrush, little acid reducer, little shampoo. If you guys want to have silky smooth hair, you got to use the Nourishing Coconut Milk Shampoo. It is bomb.com. Retainers. Yo, Chester, my guy, I make YouTube videos, so if you see me like just talking to myself, like, yes, I am weird, but also there's a purpose behind the madness, you know?
Documenting your in-flight experience?
Yeah, documenting my career, you know, like, you gotta do it sometimes. You gotta do it. Well, kids, congratulations, you played yourself if you do not wear your retainers. I had braces 3 times, so it's like, you know, it adds up a little bit. It's not a good look. I don't really have a lot of designer stuff, but my cologne is nice, you know, I like to smell good. You know what I'm saying? Chester, a little Versace. Should I do it? Should I do it for him? Yeah. Woo! Oh, baby. All right. Now we're smelling good, ready to go. Yo, face lotion. You can't be having cracked skin out here. I got a little, you know, some Q-tips. Can't be having dirty ears out here in these streets. Can't do it. It's a bad look. Left side pocket, we got computer charger, a little Monday through Sunday pill counter, a tie in case I'm trying to feel fresh that day. Guys, this is actually very, very important. You gotta travel with one of these, even though don't get this one because it actually, it just broke and doesn't work anymore. So don't get this. But yeah, these are definitely necessary. You never know when you're gonna get a charge next, you know? In terms of clothes, guys, if I'm on a 3-day trip, I don't really pack that much. I wasn't gonna take everything out of my bag. But I'll just tell you, I bring one extra shirt like this, you know, just in case your boy spills something on it. You know, I'm not that clumsy, but I'm clumsy. I only carry this pair of pants. I only have these shoes, the Huaraches. I don't really pack any other shoes. What else do I have? I have 1 pair of basketball shorts, 2 boxers, 2 pairs of socks, probably like 3 t-shirts, 1 button down, you know, in case your boy's trying to get fancy on them. You never know if you're gonna get asked to prom or something on a flight, so you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. 1 hat. That's pretty much it. And then every single time I get to the hotel, I always take the plastic bag for like laundry, and I put my dirty clothes in there, so that kind of like separates the dirty clothes from my clean ones. Even though my bag's probably dirty anyways, but I don't know, guys. That's pretty much what's in my bag. I'm gonna do a different video of like what's in my food bag on a different one. If you guys are a part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Smash the like on this video, and you guys know what to do. This is Molives TV. Smash that like button and let's
I know I've been away, I've been out far, yeah, I love it when you hate. Put me in my grave, no, I don't wanna die today. No, a drink is what I need, get lit then I fall asleep. Things are on my mind, yeah, maybe suicide, yeah, they're never on my side, yeah, I'd rather hang inside, yeah. You wanna give me your love, but it reached me